Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo glass butt plug number 25. So let's get started. So this is the Gildo glass butt plug number 25 itself. As you can see, this is no ordinary butt plug as it's made entirely out of glass. This glass butt plug is perfect for men and women who are looking for a quality anal toy. The plug, as mentioned, is made of glass and has a medium size with a diameter of 4.6 centimeters. The glass is very soft and smooth and is safe to use in combination with any type of anal lubricant. It's also suitable for temperature play. For example, you can pop this in warm water to enjoy a warm sensation during use, or pop it in cold water to enjoy cold sensations during use. It also has a flat base just here. As mentioned, you can use any lubricant. For example, you can use a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant. The choice is up to you. Make sure to clean the butt plug after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a luxury Gildo toy bag where you can pop your number 25 glass butt plug in. This helps to keep it discreet and dust free. And that is the Gildo glass butt plug number 25. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.